Having products and equipment you can depend on is critical to your business. At Interstate-McBee, we deliver the quality, heavy-duty engine and fuel injection parts you need when you need them. Since 1947, from OEMs to independent service shops, we have been a trusted supplier for superior engine and fuel injection components. And the reason is clear. We produce quality products and invest in state-of-the-art facilities. Then back it up with superior service. Let us show you how Interstate-McBee can deliver for you. All Interstate-McBee facilities are ISO 9001 certified. Using the most sophisticated quality assurance equipment and methods to meet customers' demanding needs. Our stringent standards don't stop there. All Interstate-McBee gaskets are manufactured in the U.S. from quality OEM materials. Prior to launching new products, we test for durability. Our quality assurance lab inspects a statistical sampling of all components, ensuring dimensions and product features meet critical specifications. Innovative thinking is also inherent in each of our products. We hold a number of industry patents, including our EcoTip technology, which has been proven to save fuel and reduce emissions on EMD engines, helping companies meet the latest Environmental Protection Agency requirements. In-house manufacturing allows us to maintain these quality standards and adapt quickly to customer needs. Our 2 buildings of manufacturing facilities feature state-of-the-art equipment for precision grinding, honing, and drilling to satisfy the requirements in today's high-pressure fuel systems. Our diverse manufacturing facilities also mean we can engineer both stock and custom products. With nearly 30 degreed engineers on staff, we can get it done. We can also remanufacture many fuel injectors and parts to like-new standards. We're experts at servicing your needs quickly and efficiently, and that starts with our experienced customer service team. If you have a question, one of our nationwide 25 customer service technicians is ready with an answer. They're also just steps away from our fulfillment department for a synergy that keeps orders moving. Ready to place an order? Let us walk you through all of your options, including customized gasket kits, or order online through our customer portal. Once you place an order, our automated warehouse gets your parts picked. Then our streamlined packing and shipping areas prepare your product and get it out the door, ensuring that we meet your agreed-upon shipping expectations. Of course, you can't deliver what you don't have, and we keep our inventory stocked so you can get what you need quickly. Our over 5 million cubic square feet of inventory storage makes it possible, as does strategically located domestic distribution facilities in Ohio, California, Texas, and Florida, along with our international operations that serve over 90 countries. In quality, in manufacturing, in service, in every way, Interstate-McBee reaches around the globe to provide engine parts, fuel injection parts, and components and gaskets for the heavy-duty diesel and natural gas industry. What can we do for you? To learn more, contact us at www.interstate-mcbee.com.